how to create a custom camera filters on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen and open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the photo mode or the photo tab at the bottom here. Then tap on the control button. Now swipe across and tap on the filter icon, that one right there. Then to create your own custom filter, tap on the add button on the left hand side. From here you want to select a pictures so that you can use to create a custom, and here I will select one pictures, so say this one right here, and then tap on create. So based on the pictures background color and foreground color, it will allow you to create a custom filter. Here I will give it a name, so you can name your filter. Okay, so it doesn't allow too many characters, so I'll name something simple, orange, and then tap on rename, and then tap on done. Here you can view the original, tap on view original, and this one is after the filter applied to it. Okay, so tap on done, and that's it. So now we have created a new filter, and that's it. After that, you can take pictures with your custom filters. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.